Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. As you know, the creativity has no boundary, no limit, so you can draw, you can paint according to your imaginations. So you can see here it's a rough surface or a texture of a solid wood, and it has some broken lines actually presented before the wood. So I'm going to just merge the whole things with my paintings and make a nice drawings. Thanks for watching. Let's start the drawing. So first I'm going to take the green color and putting the color with the same lines as the you think the broken lines gone. So I'm just painting those lines same way. Okay, going through all those lines is going to be a nice tree. Okay, you can see I'm painting those lines and the drawing is going to be very good. Just follow the organic shapes already presented in the broken piece of this wood, and let's have a nice imaginations and the paintings. Because of the imaginations, people have the supremacy over other animals and all other species, so they can just do anything for the imagine. Okay, so from this tree just we're putting some details on the top portions. Okay, after putting the branches, you can see I'm just modifying the ends of the each branches. Okay, so that's how the defining drawings is going to be a nice special types one. Sometimes it may looks like the alien types tree, but it's not the alien types. It's purely depends upon your imaginations. Okay, so draw whatever you like and whatever you want to show. Okay. Mhm. And the whole surface you're just making it like a nice texture for the background in the bottom, putting it so it's quite like a monochromatic color combination. So mostly the green color is prominent, you can see here. Okay. And here you can just put other small branches. Okay, putting little bit on the bottom, so it's going to be the ground. Okay, doing some little details on the ground. All right, so that's how you can define the ground level. And here this is the some other surfaces you can draw like this one. Put some regular graphical designs on the top, like putting some backgrounds, so the white background is just completely getting nice. Okay, so this works as a background, so that's are not fully visible, so partially you can see there the appearance. Okay, so the background is complete. All right, so it's a nice tree, alien type tree on a nice background. You can see the bottom line, it's like very good visuality. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.